Hi guys, I'm Muhammad Al Cody. We're going to be talking about the Royal Rumble and my toys, but first we're going to be talking about the Royal Rumble. So, you didn't know that DX was there. Billy Gunn and Road Dogg. They're against the Accession. I don't know what they call. The Accession won. JBL. I think Carter was looking at JBL. Like, come in the ring. I'm gonna beat you up. Yeah. So that too. Now Brock Lesnar, still the WWE World Heavyweight Champion. Roman Reigns won the Royal Rumble. He had a little bit of help from this man. Brock is cooking, and then see his tattoo, his arm, back. You're right, he's coming. And then here's the bull. Then this says the Rock, and then the chunks. And now see how it said I used Seth Roman Reigns' body for Seth Rollins. And went a bit wrong. Here's what Roman Reigns looks like. Set him like, yeah. Now I have two vests. So I have Seth Rollins' vest, Roman Reigns' vest, but Dean Ambrose is broken. His head just snapped off like in pieces. I need to go buy a new one from Walmart. Never mind. I'll just buy the new version from Ringside Collectibles. Believe in the Shield. I want a Triple Pro 1 million dollar vest. That's weird. So we're gonna try to fix Roman Reigns. Ow! Sorry you had to hear that, guys.
I burnt myself with a hot glue gun.
My sister burned herself with a hot glue gun.
Making a golf course.
Making a golf course. Believe in the Shield. That's what Seth Rollins said. Seriously, Seth Rollins is stupid. Why did he do that? Why did he break, destroy the Shield? That sucked. I hate him. Nobody likes him anymore. We used to like him because he was in the Shield. But no, but two men are still in the Shield. That's Roman Reigns and Dean Ambrose. Well, the Shield still aren't. Like, everyone broke away. Two brothers, Roman Reigns and Dean Ambrose, they're still team. But why was Kane going to the Royal Rumble? I thought Daniel Bryan, if he beats him, Kane isn't going. If Kane beats him, he's going. That was weird. And then Kane just enters the Royal Rumble. Okay, whatever. Isn't getting. So we're gonna try to put this on. This might take forever. Boiled water. Okay, whatever. We're not gonna fix them. I think that's all today's video. It might have been short. Might have been long. It might have been clear. I'm joking. I don't know why I even said that. I just need to do something. See this? I'm gonna try. Just put this Seth Rollins I think now I know why Roman Reigns gets Dean Ambrose and Seth Rollins to wear those vests. Because yes, that's what was on his body. That happens, probably. Yeah. Stop talking. I was just saying that to my sister. Stop. Stop. Just not even taking a video.
Oh shit.
She's just practicing to
I'm taking a video.
well, she's practicing first her practice video. How about you come introduce yourself?
No.
Okay, she's too shy.
I'm not shy.
Yeah, you are.
Swallow.
No, I'm not. That's what I thought.
I don't want you to
It's so hard. Oh man. Come on. Whatever, I'll just buy the Elite 33 when I go to America. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more and like and write a comment. See ya.